Welcome back viewers. In today's video we are going to check out the Gnome desktop that we have installed in the last video using the Openmandriva LX 5.0 Zenver 1 ISO. So this ISO is specifically meant for the AMD platform. So if you got system with the AMD chipset and the AMD graphics driver, you should use this. It is preferred, so it will give you better performance. So here you can see just a moment. So this is the grub menu of Openmandriva LX5 version. There are advanced options, so you can choose between the different kernels, the main kernel and the fallback kernels. So there is also a fast kernel, but insecure mode is there, and there is recovery kernel. You have got a console mode kernel and the main kernel. So the kernel version is same 6.6.2, but the kernel is available in 4 variants: the main kernel, the console mode kernel, the fast but insecure mode kernel, and the recovery mode kernel. So we will log in to the main kernel. So the system is booting for the first time. It will take some time. Beautiful Mandriva splash screen. You can see here, this is the login screen. So all the accessibility features are available. This is the network manager, volume control, and the power menu. And for the session, let us check out which sessions are available. So you got the Gnome session and the Gnome session on XOR. So Wayland is available here as well as the X11 session. So both the sessions are available. Let us log in. So you can take a tour. Let us see what is there in the tour. So first thing, I think we should change the this resolution. Resolution is now scaling automatically. So meanwhile the tour has started. Let us take the tour. Let us get an overview of the desktop. You can do universal search to launch apps to find your files. You can keep on the top of spaces. You can organize your workspaces. So let us first do the change in resolution. We'll keep the changes. So here you can see the mouse is acting up. So there is some issue in this desktop. We can use Alt. Definitely there is some issue with this mouse here. So this is what makes the reviews important. So in review you can check how the system will behave, and best way to check out the system is to install it on bare metal. If you have got old laptop, you can install it on that, because or you can best is to try out the live desktop. So on virtual machine sometimes the live desktop will misbehave like it is doing here, so we won't be able to go ahead. You can see here it is locking up. So I think we'll have to use the tab method. We can have the alter tab method to, yes, now I think the mouse, no, again there is an issue with the mouse. You can see it is not getting executed. Mouse click is not getting executed. Whenever I press the alter control, the mouse is coming up. And then when I try to click on some button, it is acting up. You can see here again it is acting up. So best is, let me maximize it. Let us see what happens on maximize. Still there is a issue. So definitely there is a issue in this desktop. No, it is not working up. So I think we won't be able to proceed ahead. Let me try something else. Let me try the tab button. Okay. Just show you. Let us check out the version. No. So it is not acting up. It is not working. Let us try something else. No, it's not working. Okay, so this is the desktop of Mandriva OS. This is the Gnome desktop. Let us check out the different applications available. So Gnome Contacts, Gnome Weather, Clocks, Maps, Photos, Videos, Calculator, Gedit is there, Document Scanner, Settings, System Monitor is there. Let us check out the memory usage right now. I don't see the beautiful Mandrake OS wallpapers here. So let us check out later whether the Mandrake OS wallpapers are there or not. Mandrake OS or the Openmandriva wallpapers are one of the most beautiful wallpapers I see in any Linux distribution. So memory usage is 1.4 GB. It is little over around 300 MB as compared to the Debian Gnome desktop. And memory, this CPU usage, it is hovering below 6%. So that's okay, not a issue. And file system, let us check out. So 7.4 GB has been used out of the 21 GB available on the root partition. So this system is middle tier system. Further, let us check out the other utilities and applications. So system log is there, advanced network configuration, disk analyzer, document viewer, gdisk, dictionary, archive manager, image viewer, passwords and keys manager, tweaks is there, usage is there, remote desktop viewer, console, fonts, characters, screenshots. So let us check out the tweaks section or the tweaks app of Gnome. In the appearance section, let us try out and check out what we can do. So the cursor and icon theme is Advaita. Legacy application theme is also Advaita. Shell is empty, but you can install the shell. In fonts, you can see Cantarell regular family has been used. Monospace text is source code, pro regular. Legacy window title is also Cantarell bold. Just check out what is there. Startup applications, it is empty. You can add startup applications. I will now close this. Then we will go again back to the applications, utilities, and we will try out the usage application. So this is the new application for Gnome desktop. Why it is not starting up? Okay, this should start up. So this is something new that has come up in the latest Gnome desktop. I think 45 and above. You can see here. You can see the processor utilization here. The memory utilization at the below. I will just maximize it. So memory utilization 40% of RAM has been used. 1.7 GB out of the 2.4 GB. Swap is 0 usage. The applications or the processes running very high memory, top 10 are given here. So system itself is using 514 MB, Gnome shell is using 340 MB. Usage application itself is using 161 MB. Software, that is the Gnome store, is using 71.4 MB. Evolution alarm notify is using 17.2 MB. I think this is some Gnome portal or what, 17 MB. Emoji choice 12.2 MB, and the portal, this is again another portal that is using 9.1 MB. So you can see the waveforms for the processor usage. Just need to cancel it. And this is the CPU percentage usage is given. So Gnome shell is using the maximum CPU at 8.3%. And the usage is also using 8.3%. System itself is using 2% of the CPU. And now on the storage space, you can see operating system is using 7.4 GB of the root file system. Rest of all music, pictures, videos, downloads and documents is 0 because we have not yet opened the user folders in this system. That's why it is showing the 0. Once we click on any of the user folders out of this, they will all show the current usage. Now we will go ahead. Character map, Gnome help, chess, cheese, Clapper is there. So Clapper is some video player. DNF Dragora is there for the software management. Empathy is there. It is chat client. Evolution email is there. Extensions is there. Firmware is there. So you can use this to update your firmware. Eye of Gnome. Some games are there. Foliate is there. So it is a ebook manager. Fractal, what is Fractal? We will check. So let us first check the firmware. So no devices are there. So since it is in virtual mode, it will show like this only. We cannot do anything about it. Otherwise, it will show detect and show the updates for some of the firmware. Then we will let us open the extensions. So here you can see the built-in Gnome shell extensions. We will try to enable many of them. Light style, let us try. Yes, so light style is working. Native window placement, places status indicator, removal drive menu. User themes also we will enable, workspace indicator. That's it. Okay, so now again this mouse is hanging. So there is an issue with this this ISO. At least in virtual machine, yes, the screen has crashed. The graphical interface has crashed. I think we cannot do anything about it. Okay, so we will proceed ahead. What is empathy? Empathy is a chat client. We will see that. We can open some more applications. Let us open Clapper. I think two applications at a time will be more than enough because the mouse pointer is misbehaving. During the installation also there was problem, and now during the review it is creating problems. You can see here multiple mouses are to be seen on the screen. Let us check out other applications. So the complete LibreOffice suite is there. You can see here Inkscape is added by default. There are some this Gnome games is there. Lights off. You can see Lollipop music player is there, and the other games are there. Gnome Commander. So I think it is a light file manager. We will check that. Let us first open, and this is the Clapper application. So it is a media player. You can directly open the video from any URL, or you can open any media files, video files using open files. Again it has crashed, so there is a issue with this desktop. It keeps crashing. So this has to be taken care by the Openmandriva developers. Of course, Openmandriva team, there are very constraints. Number of developers is less, but they should try whenever possible to improve on this. Now we will open the Fractal. Let us see what is Fractal. One thing I'm missing is the Openmandriva style or the Openmandriva configuration to this Gnome desktop is missing. So I have just checked out the LXQT desktop. So it looks the treatment of Openmandriva is done to LXQT desktop just like it is done in the this KDE desktop. But here in Gnome, it looks very different. It doesn't look like Openmandriva. It just looks like any other Linux distribution. They should have added certain Openmandriva styling and the decorations to the Gnome desktop. And I think this Factorals is a home server, so you have to add the domain of your matrix home server, and then you can access your home server using this application. So it must be a client for the home server, so that we can make a video on this later on. There are many things that we can try out in the videos. You can see here NeoVim is there, Libbles from game the package updater is there available, packages is there. So I think what is package updater, let me check. So there is one update, fast multi-dimension array facility for again it has crashed. So you can see how much time it is crashing. So it requires a lot of effort on the part of Openmandriva developers to make this Gnome desktop stable. Again you can see it is again misbehaving, so continues to misbehave. Let me check if we can proceed ahead, or just now the whole desktop is unresponsive. So it is very difficult to carry on the yes. Now you can see the pointer is disappearing. Again the pointer has appeared. So I think I will stop the video here. There is a issue with the system freezing, and the multiple mouse pointers are available on the screen, and the mouse is not responding to the user inputs. So I think I will stop the video here, and I will share this video as a failure of Gnome desktop of Openmandriva LX 5.0 on virtual machine. So see you then. Let us check out the LXQT desktop in the next video. Bye bye.